Hey, I'm Priyanka, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to find your best fit within the product management space. Before diving into specific job descriptions, it's important to take a step back and think about the different types of positions or roles that are available. 1. Generalist PM. A solid generalist product manager is knowledgeable in the end-to-end product lifecycle. They have the ability to create a clear vision and product strategy and also the roadmap. They also have the ability to actually execute and launch and take that product to market for customers. These PMs can adapt very well to lead product and engineering teams, no matter what industry sector, product domain, customer segment, or technology they're asked to tackle. A solid generalist PM is a great role for new product managers to aspire to because the skills can translate so well to other more specialized PM roles if you do decide to branch out later on in your career at any time. 2. Inbound or outbound, or a mix of both. All product managers build and ship products or services to their customers, but some of them build products used by customers outside their organization. For example, a paid application for food deliveries or a website that is customer facing. These are called outbound PMs, while others focus on products primarily used internally by the company, and they're called inbound PMs. Some roles also offer a mix of both. Internal facing roles often emphasize cross-functional collaboration between internal teams and the ability to drive consensus. For outbound PMs, some additional PM skills such as gathering feedback from external customers or handling customer communications, as well as working with product marketing, is also important. 3. B2B or B2C. B2B or business-to-business product managers or enterprise product managers are adept at designing and building products for enterprise customers. B2B product managers face many challenges. For example, the difficulty to have direct access to customers, often having to go through indirect channels for feedback. But B2B PMs also have the opportunity to have a broad impact across a very large customer base. Also, their work can sometimes shape an entire industry. B2C, or business-to-consumer product managers, build products for direct customers who are also often the end users. If you love working on end user products more directly and want the ability to get more direct feedback and measure the impact of your products, you will likely enjoy being a B2C PM. 4. More technical or less technical. Depending on your industry, company, or any specific PM role that you're applying for, you will need to demonstrate the right level of technical skills needed to succeed. Some product manager roles require very deep and specific technical skills. For example, an artificial intelligence or machine learning product manager who will need to demonstrate knowledge of concepts such as how a model works or how a model is trained with data. Not all product roles need to be technical. You could come from a UX design or finance or business background and still be very successful as a product manager. So if you're applying for this type of role, maybe more marketing or design oriented, then use your strengths to answer the interview questions. For example, if you're a UX designer, you're already good at design. So start with that during your interviews and build up from there. 5. Domain or industry specific product manager. In today's very competitive job market, I think it's in your advantage to use your domain and industry knowledge as your superpower when interviewing for PM jobs. There are many jobs that are focused on specific domains or industry sectors. For example, a MarTech PM or marketing technology PM has experience building marketing technology related products. You might be a user of those products in your day-to-day. So maybe you use Marketo or Salesforce Marketing Cloud. One tip I have is that you could use this knowledge that you already have to then interview for a PM role at a company that builds those marketing technology products. So by using your strengths, you can differentiate yourself from other candidates and maximize your chances of getting that PM job. I hope this video helped you learn more about the different types of product management roles out there and what your possibilities are, so that you can then find a role that is the perfect fit for you.